Hey everyone, once again welcome back to my channel. So today in this video I will show you the birthday card which I made for my best friend Jeta. Actually Jeta is her nickname, her real name is Avishita. So today I'm going to show you a quick review of the birthday card which I made for her. It is very easy and simple to make. Okay, you also can make and you also can gift it to anyone, anybody you like. Anybody's birthday if coming, then you can make and you can gift. It's very simple, easy. So let's see the card. You can see outer I have did the pattern, dot pattern I have did, then happy birthday I wrote. Then you can also see some balloons you can see. In the balloon you can write happy birthday to whomever you're giving the name of the girl, boy, he or she. You can write some balloons I've did, happy birthday you saw. Then washi tapes I've put. Then at the back of the card a cute heart. You can see a heart, foam sheet heart, washi tape, very easy. You can also make, So now let's see the inside portion. So the card you have to open, and when my friend Jeta will open, it will come out in a 3D type. Okay, the writings will come out 3D type, you can see. And many hearts are there. So many hearts. So let me read. A friend is a friend, but a best friend is even better. Happy birthday to the best friend anyone could ask for. Now let's read this one. Dear best friend, you have always been a part of my happiest moments, as well as my gloom ones. I'm lucky to have a friend of lifetime with whom I can express my thoughts and share my dreams. On your special day, I hope you receive the love and care you deserve. A very happy birthday. So this is the card, very easy to make. You also can make and you also can gift it. So I hope you all guys liked today's video. And don't forget to comment happy birthday for my friend Jeta. So bye bye guys and take care. Hope my friend will like the card. And I hope you also
Bye bye. Thanks for watching.